Today's video we are learning about food essence of life. ಹಸಿಯದೆ ಉಣ್ಣಬೇಡ, ಹಸಿದು ಮರೆತಿಡಬೇಡ, ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತಂಗಳುಣ್ಣಬೇಡ, ವೈದ್ಯನಾಗಿಸೆನ್ನಬೇಡ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಹಸಿಯದೆ means you should not have food without being hungry. Okay, and if you are hungry, you should not forget that to have the food, and you should not eat the food which is stale, and you should not eat that, otherwise you have to pay to the doctor. This is the Sarvagna's Tripadi. He says that you should not eat the food, stale food, after eating it again. Stale food loses its nutritional value, so he is telling like that. These lines refers to the food which we eat. Food is essence for our life. Every day we do one or the other work. We need energy for doing work. So from food we are getting energy to do the work. We get energy from the food we eat, and the food is necessary for our growth, development and good health. Let us recall the nutrients that are present in the food, and the nutrients of the food and the food materials which are rich in those nutrients are given here, and you have to match the nutrients with the food materials. So carbohydrates is present in ragi, wheat, jowar, foxtail millet, little millet, bread, honey, and lipids are present in groundnut, meat, fish, dry coconut, sesame, egg yolk, and proteins are present in cow beans, red gram, black-eyed beans, and milk, green gram, soya beans, and vitamins are present in fenugreek, mantia, carrot, sprouted seeds, fish oil, green yellow vegetables. Next, minerals are present rich in vegetables, fruits, lemon, cereals and all, and water is very essential, and which is present in cucumber, watermelon, grapes, radish, ashgrod, brinjal, cabbage, cauliflower. So you have to match the correct nutrients with the food materials. We have matched the nutrients, and there are suitable for food materials. The nutrients are helpful for the growth, repair, bodybuilding and for being healthy. So nutrients are very essential for our daily routine, and which helps in maintaining our health. Observe this following food materials given here, and you have to classify the food materials according to the plant source and animal source. This you have to match or classify. And the plant source, you get paddy, foxtail millet, pearl millet, mango, ragi, cauliflower, fenugreek seeds, carrot, radish. And animal source, meat, cheese, egg, ghee, milk, buttermilk. All these are got from the animal source. The materials are available for us from plant source and animal source also. The food substances from the plant source are classified as follows: cereals, pulses, oil seeds, vegetables, green leafy vegetables and fruit. You have to list some food materials obtained from the plant source are given here. The list is given here, and you have to write the related petals of the plant source. So if plant source is having cereals, pulses, green leafy vegetables, fruits, vegetables and oil seeds, so under vegetables you have to write brinjal, beetroot and sweet potato. Fruits, mango, lemon, orange, and green leafy vegetables is palak. Cereals are foxtail millet, jowar, little millet, amaranth, okay, and pulses are green gram, red gram, black gram, and oil seeds are sesame, groundnut, fenugreek, and sunflower seeds. The food we eat consists of more than one nutrients, so you can't have always only one vegetable or one fruit. You have to have all types of food. Among the millets, there are foxtail millet, bran millet, kodo millet, and bran of nutrients. Our elders used to consume the more millets. Nowadays, the consumption of the cereals has become less, and so only we are losing our health. So all these important millets are given here. You have to write in the activity the list out of the millets shown in the picture. You have to say write same here. Now we'll go to the uses. Millets can be grown using less water in less period of time. They are grown easily in different environment and climatic condition. These can be grown without using chemical fertilizers and pesticides and herbicides. These are called as friends of famine. So when water is also less, these millets can be grown in such places. The cereals have lot of nutrients. These are the uses of millet. Nowadays, doctors advise patients to consume millets. Why? Because millets are rich in minerals and helps us with a balanced diet. Availability of the food. The fertility of the agricultural land and climatic conditions differ from one place to another in our state. So, all types of crops cannot be grown in one place. The crops like jowar, ragi, paddy cannot be grown in all places. This is studied in the previous lesson also, because the fertility of the agriculture land depends upon climatic conditions and changes from one place to another. Increasing population and decreasing agricultural land is causing decreasing the availability of food. How it is done? More demand and less production. So demand is more. If population is more, the demand is also more, and if the production is less, the fighting will be started. Therefore, government has taken steps to ensure the availability of the food for all the people. So, for example, the midday meals are given in the school, supplying the food materials at the nominal rates through fair price shops. So, if the people can't go to the mall and all, they can purchase at nominal rate at the fair price shop. Steps are taken by the to prevent unnecessary holding of food materials by the merchants. Sometimes the merchants, they hold the materials to bring the demand and the price, increase the price, and the government has preventing many, they have taken many steps to prevent that one. Purchasing the food materials from the farmers, storing them in proper gardens and distributing them. All these steps are taken by the government. What are the advantages of giving the midday meals and in the milk in the school? Students will be healthy. Few children will be suffering by loss of nutrients. So the government wants everybody to be healthy. So it is supplying the midday meals. Food materials are available. It is possible to prepare food for us. So make a list of food prepared in your house. You have to write the food which is prepared in the house, and you should compare the food with your friends and know whether your friend's food and your food is differing, in which it is differing. And now one more activity is given here. Your food season, it depends upon the seasons also. Seasons and food you eat. In summer season you eat juice, curds, milk, buttermilk, all juicy liquid items more you have to consume. And in rainy seasons you will take chats, bhaji, soup, all this you have in rainy season. In winter season coffee, tea is more. The common food of different places of Karnataka are North Karnataka jowar and bajra, South Karnataka ragi, rice, coastal Karnataka seafood is the main food, Malnad a rice item is more.